guys, I'm Aya Bradley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about period pain relief, and I think I found the company that will be able to help you. I hope so. I'm praying for you, and that is the company Some Days. Some Days is a company based in Canada, and they're rooted in the concept of embodiment and trauma-informed care. We see a future where people feel empowered and inspired to transform their relationship to period pain. Some Days founding team is a mix of queer, Black, disabled, gender diverse entrepreneurs who live with chronic pain and endometriosis. So we are deeply passionate about and committed to the advancement of holistic and inclusive period care. They're also a sustainable brand. All of our topicals come in 100% compostable packaging made from renewable resources. So I have a video on my channel about Pink Storks, and I like Pink Storks. So Pink Storks is a Christian-led and women-led company that helps women with period pain relief, digestion issues, and hormones, and pregnancy, and among other things. And the only con that I had with Pink Storks is that if I'm waking in the middle of the night with intense period pain, I don't want to have to go brew cinnamon tea or put a lozenge in my mouth, but I still like to use this when I'm on my period. So I wanted to find a product that was instant relief, that was natural, and that was good for my body. And I believe I found that with Some Days. So Some Days popped up on my TikTok FYP, and I swear TikTok like listens to me, and they blew me away instantly. The video is basically about how they created a heating pad that fits your uterus. It's like a triangle. And this is what the heating pad looks like. It looks like a little diaper. The heating pad goes inside the cover. You can personalize the cover on the back, and you could put this in the microwave, or you could put it in the freezer to have like a cold ice pack. The heating pad is a sleep-safe flaxseed heat pad designed to fit comfortably over your pelvis while delivering a dreamy aroma of warm flax and chamomile. So I purchased the Better Period Kit, so that came with the Cramp cream, the heating pad, and the magic mud bath. And it's $119, the Better Period Kit is, and I got 20% off because they were having some type of deal. When you sign up with them, they'll also have a 10% off coupon available for you. And I suggest downloading Honey or Karma to find coupons that'll work for you. So like I said, they're based in Canada, so shipping took about 2 weeks. And they let you know that ahead of time because they are a smaller business, and they're shipping from Canada to the US because I'm in the US. The product that I have used like multiple times is the Cramp cream. So I tested this product out in December, and so I tested it again this month. Well, when you guys see this video, it'll be February, but I tested it out again in January because I just wanted to double check a couple things. So the Some Days Cramp cream I'm obsessed with. The scent is like methanol, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it has kind of like this numbing effect, and it's not like gonna paralyze you, like you'll still be able to walk around, but it just kind of numbs the pain. And so you have to put it on a non-mucous membrane part of your body. So I like to apply it like underneath my belly button, and then like when I'm cramping, the cramps will then shoot to my lower back, and you can also apply it to your lower back as well, and your legs and chest and breasts, and if you have abdominal pain like cramps and things like that. So it has a lot of amazing ingredients. I'm not gonna really discuss them. I'm just gonna put them on the screen. I'm not an esthetician, a doctor, or whatever. So I won't spend too much time with that. Like if you're allergic to any of those ingredients, don't use a product. And then of course with all these products, ask your doctor before use. I have no issues with the Cramp cream. I don't get a rash. It feels amazing. I mean, just to kind of tell you real quick, I had a dream, and as I was in my dream, I was like, I'm in so much pain. And so I woke up, realized I had started my period at 3 o'clock in the morning. I immediately ran to the bathroom and, put my Rael diaper on, and then I applied my Cramp cream, and the pain went away. I'm sorry, what? The pain went away. What kind of hoopla is this? It's amazing. This is a godsend. God was literally like, I created this for you. You have all suffered enough. Here you go. They need to create a product that's non-epidural that you can use when you're giving birth. You get what I'm saying? Something that's like this. Just to kind of numb you a little bit, but you can still kind of naturally push your baby out. That's genius. Some days you should create that product next. I'm just saying. You would make a lot of money for that. So I really like the Cramp cream. I think it's incredible, and if you're gonna get anything from Some Days, I would suggest the Cramp. Okay, so the next two products that I wanna talk about, so the Magic Mud comes in the Better Period Kit, but I also purchased the Sola Soak as well. So the Sola Soak has a 1 out of 5 on their website, but the person didn't say anything. And so I feel like if you're gonna give a negative review, you should kind of say what it is to help somebody else, I'm just saying. But the Sola Soak is a magnesium arnica bath for period pain relief. So it relieves muscle spasms in the lower back and thighs, increases circulation, and reduces the intensity of period cramps. So, and I like that it has magnesium in it because magnesium is known to kind of help women or queer people that are experiencing, you know, like migraines or cramps during their cycle. So the Sola Soak, it's pretty. It doesn't mess up your bathtub if you're concerned about that. It's just a product that you can't only use by itself. I would say you have to have the Cramp cream, the Sola Soak, or the Sola Soak and the heating pad working together. Now, when I did get in the bathtub, my period pain did kind of subside, and I liked that, but it didn't stop my cramps for the rest of the day. Like, my cramps did continue kind of after I took that bath, maybe like after 2 hours of me out of the bathtub. But it's nice, it's relaxing. The thing is, I don't think I'll repurchase the Sola Soak. I just don't think it's as beneficial as the Cramp cream. And so the next product that comes in the Better Period Kit is the Magic Mud. And the Magic Mud is pretty cool. I even used it when I wasn't on my cycle because it also helps, you know, your body detox a little bit. So the Magic Mud offers an intensive and immersive full body bath experience to decrease pain. It increases circulation to reduce pain and abdominal cramps, stimulates lymphatic drainage to help remove excess fluids in the body, and decrease swelling and bloat. It decreases inflammation to ease muscle pain. So you can use it as a mask, but if you have less severe pain, you can apply it to your bathtub. And so with the Magic Mud and the Sola Soak, they suggest that you only stay in the bathtub for about 15 to 20 minutes and that you drink water. So I do that. I set a timer for about 18 minutes and then I'll wash off my body and then I'll get out. It didn't clog my drain, so that is the Some Days line. I love it. If you're gonna get anything, like I said, get the Cramp cream. And what products are you guys interested in? Like, what products are you like, Maya, I wanna try this, I wanna get this? Because Some Days has really helped me, and I don't wanna say it's saved my life to be dramatic, but it has saved my life because having period pain is so uncomfortable and challenging. So to find a product that is created by women and queer people is phenomenal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and purchase these products. I think you're going to love them. And I hope you guys are having an incredible day, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.